Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, then you can search for the person from here. So if I search for that person, okay, then go to that person's profile and in the three dot option you can unblock from here. Another way you can go for in this gear option here, click on it, scroll down and you can see here is a block option here. So click on it and you can unblock that person from here. So you can see it's done. So this is how you can unblock someone on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.